All rise. Support court with Judge Van Der Bee is now in session. Judge's case number JVB1084, Daniel's case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. All right, Mr. Clough,
Yes,
you're
Honor.
back, except today you're the petitioner. Looks like we found mom.
Finally found her.
Okay, finally found her. What can I do for you today?
Well, Your Honor, I'm here to get some justice. I think it's time that I get back what I've been giving out.
What do you mean by that?
Money. I've been giving so much money and she hasn't even been here.
Right.
You know?
Well, before we really get started, are the kids in the car with the dog again today?
Kids aren't in the car, Your Honor. The dog got hit, so he's in a doggy wheelchair.
Okay.
So.
All right. Well, I'm sorry to hear that about the dog, but the kids are fine.
They are. They're with the neighbor.
Okay, good. Just wanted to make sure. So what's been going on? I mean, it's been a few months since I've seen you.
Right.
So it looks like you were here, back when you were here, they had excuse me?
She just looking at me crazy.
I'll make it easier for you. You focus on me.
Right.
Don't excuse me.
Sorry, Judge.
Don't be sorry, just don't do it. This is your first time here today. And if I remember correctly, you filed the lawsuit on him previously and had the audacity not to show up. So you definitely need to pipe down.
Okay, I chose money though.
Okay, well, you may have, and we're gonna get into that and see how much money you probably are gonna be paying on child support, but we wanna, oh my gosh.
You see? God don't like ugly.
Oh.
You know what?
All right, guys, buckle up because today's courtroom clash is about to get real. Mr. CL is back, and this time he's flipping the script. No longer defending, he's demanding justice. After months of raising 5 kids solo, he's asking the court to hold Ms. Daniels accountable. She shows up late with an attitude, but the judge shuts it down instantly, reminding her she ghosted the last hearing. Between talk of dogs in wheelchairs and neighbors watching the kids, it's clear Mr. CL's been holding things down. The judge isn't here for games today. This is about responsibility, and things are heating up fast. Here's where the tension climbs. Mr. CL calmly reveals he's had full custody for 7 to 8 months with zero support from Ms. Daniels. No visits, no money, nothing. But she somehow found time to visit her jailed boyfriend, who got caught up in a PPP loan scam. And while Mr. CL's out here working 2 jobs and paying $350 a month for insurance, she's off the grid. Then comes the twist, the infamous BBL. That's right, instead of parenting, she prioritized surgery. It's a mix of comedy and cold truth, and the judge's expression says it all. The real issue here? Misplaced priorities, and the court's catching on quick.
You talking about you?
God don't like
You know, this happens every now and then when the weather is bad outside.
No,
Things happen in court.
And
Well,
that
no,
evil
the weather
spirit
is bad
that she got.
outside.
You know what? Talk to the
Okay.
judge. Don't direct none over him.
Okay, what she just said is right, all right? But I'm not agreeing with you in the sense that, you know what I mean? Let me tell him to be quiet and talk to me only.
I got
All
you,
right,
Judge.
Mr. Clough, continue. So, as I was saying, it's been a few months. So the kids have been with you, looks like it's been about 7 or 8 months now.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right? So in this 7 or 8 months, has mom been paying?
Have you been paying?
Well, no,
No,
that's
she
not how this
hasn't, Your
works.
Honor.
That's not how this works.
She hasn't been paying.
All right?
She has not been paying.
Has she at least been visiting with the children?
She hasn't visited the children, but she visited that man in jail that she ran off with.
Oh, the one that was in the car that you
In the
really couldn't
Cutlass,
see?
yeah.
The Cutlass. Oh, yeah, that's right, that's right.
He got arrested not too long after I saw you for the PPP loan. Is that correct?
No,
That's how she got that.
incorrect. That's incorrect.
She got what? What's that?
You know, from the last time. She got the booty in the booty.
What they call it something though.
Yeah, the BBL. She know.
Oh,
Why you telling my business?
People need to know.
People don't need to know nothing. That's for the gram.
Anyway, Your Honor.
I mean, I wanted to know, but you know, we're not here for that. We're not here for that. I'm not going to be petty. So, you are seeking to put mom on child support.
I am.
All right, and health insurance. Who's covering? Well, I would assume she's not. Are you covering health insurance? Are they on Medicaid? What's going on?
Well, I wasn't at first, but I got a promotion at work.
All right, congratulations.
I appreciate that.
All right.
And made me a manager at the McDonald's.
It's Ms. Daniels' turn, and she starts off on the wrong foot. When asked why she shouldn't pay child support, she pivots to looks and charm. The judge isn't having it and makes it clear appearance won't influence the ruling. Then comes the classic come-up excuse, a mystery man who promised her riches but delivered little, yet she claims to have 6 figures in the bank without showing $1 of proof. Her deflections only dig the hole deeper, especially when she admits she didn't even show up to her own filed case. The courtroom vibe shifts. This isn't just messy, it's irresponsible. This section exposes everything. Ms. Daniels claims she earns anywhere from $30K to $100K as a self-employed influencer, but can't land on an actual number. She throws around vague investment and promotion talk, but it's all smoke. The judge calls her out for wasting time and then it drops. She spent up to $40K on surgery. Not just a BBL, she lists it all. Meanwhile, her 5 kids get nothing. The judge's patience is gone. It's no longer a debate, it's a reality check. This is where talk ends and numbers begin. The lifestyle she flexes online is finally catching up in court.
So I'm making a little bit more, and I was able to put 2 of the kids on insurance, but not all of them.
Okay.
Just can't cover that many. So.
All right. So the other ones, what are they doing?
Well, my other job kind of covers that as well.
Okay. All right. So at least all of the children are insured.
They are.
All right. How much is that insurance total for the kids only?
On McDonald's or the other job?
No, just in total.
It's about $350.
$350. Okay. All right. Is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her?
I think that's about it, Your Honor. Just ready to hold her accountable.
Okay.
Boy.
Okay, Miss Daniels.
Yes, Judge. I'm sorry.
Excuse me.
Judge, I'm sorry.
Are you here to be pretty or are you?
Now the gavel hits hard. Using her own $100K claim, the judge calculates $2,954 in monthly child support, 40% of her income plus insurance reimbursement. Ms. Daniels tries to change the subject, even asking if the kids can just stay with Mr. CL, as if that excuses the years of absence. But they already live with him. The math is cold, clean, and final. There's no hiding behind status or side hustles now. This is the moment where everything flips. The judge doesn't just rule, he exposes. The influencer, act, done. Now it's time to pay up. Every missed month just became her monthly bill. Now it's all unraveling. Ms. Daniels tries to talk visitation, but weekends are too busy and she can't take the kids to school. Why? No car. But Mr. CL calls her out again. She drives a rose gold luxury vehicle. It's one last flex gone wrong. The judge finalizes custody, confirms the $2,954-month obligation, and shuts it down. This ending exposes the full truth. A parent with money for everything but her children. It's the final blow in a courtroom where facts, not flash, win. The influencer tried to out-talk accountability, but in this courtroom, action spoke louder. Case closed.